Unpack the Basket. Understanding picnic lunch. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today we're going to unpack a phrase that's as delightful as a sunny day in the park: picnic lunch. Stick with us as we explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's a phrase that's packed with more than just food. A picnic lunch is more than a meal, it's an event. Imagine a beautiful day where you pack a meal in a basket, find a peaceful spot outdoors, spread a blanket on the ground, and enjoy food in the company of nature, friends, or family. That's a picnic lunch. It's casual, it's social, and it's enjoyed in the open air. What makes a picnic lunch special are the ingredients, and we're not just talking about the food. A perfect picnic lunch often includes a variety of foods that are easy to eat outdoors, like sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. Beverages to quench your thirst under the sun. Accessories like a blanket, plates, and utensils. And most importantly, good company or a scenic location. Across the world, a picnic lunch holds cultural significance. It represents leisure and togetherness. It's a chance to break from the hustle and bustle of daily life and savor both food and companionship. It can be a romantic date, a family gathering, or a communal event. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are some examples. We packed a picnic lunch and ate by the lake. The company is hosting a picnic lunch for all employees. What should we bring for our picnic lunch at the park? And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, picnic lunch. We hope this video helps you visualize and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. May your learning journey be as enjoyable as a well-planned picnic lunch. Until next time, happy learning!